आशाएं 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 आशाएं
From organizing blood donation camp, conducting stationery donation, working on Swachh Bharat summer internship, to running Sahyog, a computer learning center for unprivileged children. They lend their heart and soul to every such cause. Their spirit unbeatable, their will unshakable. They are the volunteers of National Service Scheme. 12 years ago, a vision of NSS unit was transformed into reality, known as Prerna, the biggest socio-cultural event. No one is perfect, but a few do have a God gift of hope beyond limitations. Junoon, an event where children with special abilities display courage, passion, hope, and present exemplary dancing, singing, and artistic skills. Students and staff were present in hundreds to support and were left spellbound and teary eyes after seeing their performances. Those children really gave them a beacon of hope. Speak Streak gives a platform to the budding orators to showcase their oratory skills. Eventex puts participants under certain situations where they have to use their mind up to extreme levels to tackle the problems. If you don't build your dreams, someone will hire you to build theirs. Believing the same, Prayas gives students a stage to give solutions to social problems and present their business plans. Sorpresa, a fun event where the participants are judged physically, mentally, and socially, teaches a great deal of teamwork. Service to man is service to God. The blanket donation drive was organized in order to serve the people in need during winter. Akriti, an exhibition of handicrafts made by the orphans, showcased their talent and creativity. Reflection, where each painting, sketch, drawing, and photograph reflected a beautiful and an intensive social message and happiness. Village visit, a visit to Sonkham village adopted by NSS unit of RCOEM, where free health checkup camp and cleanliness drive were conducted. Health checkup camp at RCOEM is organized for both teaching and non-teaching staff of our college. Other events that are carried out under NSS unit of college includes Annakut, where around 300 NSS volunteers served Mahaprasad to a crowd of 10,000 ardent devotees. An educational trip to Anandvand, a forest of joy for thousands of leprosy-affected people who are dependent on it. Independence and Republic Day were celebrated with the hope that people embark on a new journey where there is independence of spirits and thoughts of all. PM Cares Fund. In the situation of COVID-19 pandemic and lockdown, 100 NSS volunteers contributed a total sum of Rs 20,000 altogether. Foundation Day. On this day, NSS was founded. We celebrate this day every year, stating achievements in the past and our goals for the coming year. Social work doesn't need riches. Start with whatever you have, go above and beyond, rise from within. Each contribution counts, each smile counts, and see how you make the world a happier place.
I feel privileged to be an NSS volunteer. One thing that I learned by being a volunteer is alone we can do so little, but together we can do so much. It gave me a platform to contribute to society. Many events were conducted like blood donation, tree plantation, stationery donation, blanket donation, and many others. When you give a blanket to someone struggling in winters on the roadside, the smile on their face will make you happy. When you give a stationery kit to a child, the smile on their face will make you happy. The point is, you don't always have to think something big to do something big. Even a small contribution will be of great help to someone in need. Just think of a plan and there are so many volunteers with you to make it happen. And the feeling that you get by helping someone in need is irreplaceable.
Since the day I joined the NSS, I've been into selfless service towards others. Each contribution shows that though we don't have anything, but still we can give a lot of things to others. Looking people's smile make us happier, and along with that, we get to learn a lot of new things. And not only we contributed socially, but along with that, we have grown up internally as well.
Helping one person might not change the world, but it would definitely change the world of that person. This is something which I have imbibed from the NSS. The NSS is full of invisible helping hands working together so as to help maximum people. Being a part of this family, I have developed a sense of sharing my opinion and at the same time working for the betterment of the society and the environment.
We learned a great deal of lessons from teamwork to leadership, from event management to socializing. Our persona grew. People worked really very hard and dedicated themselves into the service of others. The motto taught us about the selfless service, and this selfless service made us look into the good side. We can never imagine how a small contributions can make the difference into the life of others and ignite the spirits. If we were to be very honest, NSS would have been blessings to us.
First thing that attracted me towards NSS was its motto, not me but you, and the importance of the term selfless service towards the society. NSS did great job in building my overall personality and teaches me discipline and teamwork.